Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play New Super Mario Bros. 2 co-op. To begin your cooperative adventure, ensure each player has a Nintendo 3DS system and a copy of the game. Power on both devices and navigate to the main menu. One player will host the game, while the other joins. This simple preparation sets the stage for a fun, shared experience, allowing two players to enjoy the game together from the start. Connecting your systems is straightforward. Both players should select the multiplayer option from their respective game menus. The host player will then create a room, and the second player will search for and join it. This wireless connection allows seamless interaction. You can choose between the main story mode or the competitive coin rush mode, where you aim to collect 1 million coins as a team. Teamwork is crucial for success in co-op play. Focus on collecting coins together, aiming for the grand total of 1 million. Strategically share power-ups like the Super Leaf or Fire Flower to overcome obstacles more easily. Always try to stay near your partner. If one player falls too far behind, they will automatically be bubbled and brought back to the other player, which can be helpful or a hindrance. Mastering co-op involves more than just playing alongside each other. Use the bubble feature strategically. If one player is struggling, they can intentionally bubble themselves to be carried through a tough spot. Coordinate your jumps and attacks to defeat larger enemies or reach hidden areas. Effective communication about upcoming challenges and power-up usage will significantly enhance your cooperative experience, making every level more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.